Okay, I'm gonna go away from the camera for a second.
Go and get Cindy. Go and get Cindy.
She doesn't have to come on camera, she just needs to be in the room for medical.
Yeah, I wouldn't say in the room, I'd just say
room.
she needs to be awake and ready.
She might be still in bed.
Right,
Let me...
as long as she's awake, just go make sure she's awake, because you might need her. While he's not here, stream, there's this chocolate called Instant Regret. It's chili chocolate. It's 6.4 million Scovilles, and Scovilles is the scale of how hot food is, and jalapeno peppers are 7,000, and Tabasco sauce is like 5,000. This is 6.4 million. This is going to end him when he takes a bite out of this. It's going to be brilliant.
I don't do chili. I don't like spice.
I think you can probably tell where this is going. What's up, guys? I made a mistake, very big mistake. Obviously, as you've just seen, Unflushable sent you some chili chocolate, which is probably some of the hottest ever to exist. And I received a parcel today in the post. So, yeah, you can see where this is going. It's a nice box. This is going to be painful. I made the mistake of mentioning that I don't like chili, right? I have plain at Nando's. I am in severe trouble here. I think ketchup adds spice. Like, this is how bad this is going to be. Oh, well, he's given me some Haribo as well, so that's very generous of him. Instant regret. So, yeah, 6.4 million Scovilles. Apparently that's a measurement of hotness. This bar contains absurdly high amounts of chili and is likely to cause a horrendous burning sensation. Do not put in direct contact with eyes or sensitive organs. If pain persists, bathe entire body in fresh goat's milk and cry. Then seek medical advice. Okay. Oh, I regret this already, man. I mean, it looks like a pretty nice innocent chocolate bar. Oh, why do I do these things? Oh, it's a bit melty as well. Oh dear. I've got a cup of water, but I don't know if that's going to cut it, you know. Oh god. I mean, I can smell it, man. I mean, one square, that's... Oh, Jesus. Oh, wow. Nah, never again. Does water spread? Or is it milk? Which one is that? Spreads. That definitely spreads. Oh dear. Oh god. No. No. This is what dying feels like. Is Haribo gonna help? All I can taste is just stinging. Oh god, why have you done this? Oh. Jesus Christ. Oh god. Yeah, I think I'll stick to plain Nando's. Oh Jesus. When does it end? Make it stop. Why have you done this? Oh god, does anyone want this? Oh. That shouldn't be allowed. Oh god. I need to run a cold bath and cry. I just got, my tongue's gone numb. I didn't think it would be this bad. Oh, I thought Newf was exaggerating, man.
Oh god! What the... What the hell you sent me?
I'm sweating. Crying. Does it end? Is there an end? Oh no. That's one square. Can you imagine doing the whole block? Oh Jesus. I hope this is recorded, because if I've got to do this again, I swear to God. Oh god, no. Oh. It's still there. You just burnt. Like, I can't feel my mouth. Oh, curse you, Unflushable. Curse you to hell and back. Oh, Jesus. Well, at least I got some hairy bite out of it. I'm knackered. Thank you for watching. Oh, God. I think the eating's making it worse. How do you get rid of it? Anyway, thank you for watching. I hate this. Please make it stop. Yeah, subscribe. I think it deserves. If you've stayed this far, I think this deserves at least a sub. You know what I mean? But yeah, stick around. Oh God. See ya. Goodbye. If I die, I've lost hearing. Heartbeat's alright. That's fine. That's fine. If I die, at least we'll have a funny video to send me off with. So yeah. Bye bye.